Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama. The article describes a family movie night where the kids, DJ, Kyrie, and Nova, excitedly prepare to watch a scary movie at 3 a.m. They debate between watching a scary film or something more lighthearted, like Spy Kids, ultimately deciding on the scary option. As they gather popcorn and drinks, they express their preferences and excitement. Once in the theater room, they watch the trailer for Smile, a horror movie, and despite some initial hesitations, they agree to watch it. After the movie, which they claim wasn't scary, they prepare for bed. However, they soon hear strange noises and claim to see something in the closet, leading to a chaotic and humorous moment where they admit to being scared after initially pretending otherwise. The family decides to let the kids sleep with them for comfort, and they reflect on the night, suggesting that next time they should choose a family-friendly movie instead. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.